Dove. Dove is a type of bird that belongs to the family Columbidae. This family includes over 300 species of doves and pigeons, which are found all around the world, except for the polar regions and some remote islands. Doves are generally small to medium-sized birds, with a plump body, a small head, and short legs. They have soft, muted feathers that come in a range of colors, including gray, brown, white, and black. Many species of doves have distinctive markings on their wings or head, such as a dark band across the eyes or a speckled pattern on the wings. Doves are known for their gentle and calm demeanor, and are often associated with peace and love in many cultures. They are social birds that typically live in pairs or flocks, and communicate with each other using a range of vocalizations, including soft coos, whistles, and clucks. Doves are primarily ground feeders and will often be seen foraging for seeds and grains on the ground. In terms of habitat, doves are adaptable birds that can thrive in a variety of environments, from deserts to forests. Some species of doves are migratory and travel long distances during their annual migration. There is no such thing as a dove diet. Doves are a type of bird and do not have a specific diet that can be followed by humans. However, if you are asking about the diet of doves in the wild, they typically eat seeds and grains, as well as small insects and invertebrates. Some species of doves may also consume fruits and berries. It is important to note that following any kind of animal diet is not recommended for human consumption. Humans have different nutritional needs than animals, and it is important to maintain a well-balanced diet that provides all the necessary nutrients for a healthy lifestyle. It is always best to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized dietary advice. Doves are known for their calm and gentle demeanor. They are social birds that typically live in pairs or flocks, and are known for their soft cooing calls. Some species of doves, such as the mourning dove, are migratory and travel long distances during their annual migration. In terms of behavior, doves are primarily ground feeders and will often be seen foraging for seeds and grains on the ground. They also enjoy sunbathing, and will often perch in sunny spots to soak up the warmth. Doves are monogamous, and pairs will often preen and groom each other as a form of bonding. When threatened, doves will often take flight and fly in a swift, zigzag pattern to avoid predators. They are also known for their ability to navigate using the Earth's magnetic field and the position of the sun. In a domesticated setting, pet doves can exhibit a range of behaviors, including bonding with their owners, learning to mimic sounds and speech, and even performing basic tricks. Overall, doves are gentle, peaceful birds with a variety of interesting behaviors and habits. Doves are monogamous birds that mate for life. When a pair of doves decides to mate, they will engage in a courtship ritual that involves several behaviors to establish a bond between them. During the courtship period, the male dove will display various behaviors to attract the female dove. These behaviors can include cooing, puffing up his feathers, bowing his head, and fanning his tail feathers. He may also present the female with twigs or other materials as a gift. Once the female dove accepts the male's advances, the pair will engage in preening and grooming each other as a form of bonding. The male dove will often feed the female as a sign of his commitment, and the female will reciprocate by allowing the male to mount her for mating. Doves typically mate for life, and will often return to the same nesting site each year to lay their eggs. Both parents take turns incubating the eggs and feeding the chicks after they hatch. Doves are attentive parents and will continue to care for their young until they are old enough to leave the nest. Here are some interesting facts about the life of doves. Doves belong to the family Columbidae, which also includes pigeons. There are over 300 species of doves and pigeons in the world. Doves have a unique adaptation in their digestive system that allows them to produce a special milk called crop milk or pigeon milk. This milk is produced by the adult bird in its crop and fed to the young doves as a source of nutrition. Doves are found all over the world, except for the polar regions and some remote islands. They are adaptable birds that can thrive in a variety of habitats. From deserts to forests, doves are known for their gentle and calm demeanor, and are often regarded as symbols of peace and love. In many cultures, doves are associated with purity, faithfulness, and devotion. Doves are monogamous and will often mate for life. They build nests using twigs and other materials, and lay 1 to 2 eggs per clutch. Both parents take turns incubating the eggs and feeding the chicks. Doves are social birds that live in pairs or flocks. They communicate with each other using a range of vocalizations, including soft coos, whistles, and clucks. Doves have a long history of being kept as pets. Domesticated doves can make good pets for those who are looking for a gentle, quiet companion. They are relatively easy to care for and can live for up to 20 years with proper care. Overall, doves are fascinating birds with many interesting and unique traits that make them a beloved species around the world.